Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to process your PSA certificate through online application. So in our browser, type po natin ang PSA cerbilis.com.ph, enter. So here, ito po yung interface nila. So nandito na po yung information delivered within the Philippines. So mga fees po nila for birth certificate and marriage is 330 per copy. For Cinemar is 430, and then accredited payment channels andito na po with the mga bank, bayad center. Ayan. And then for deliver to other countries is 2.30 per copy dollars po kung birth certificate or marriage. And then for the Cinemar is 25.30 per copy dollar. In dollars po siya. So ayan na po yung payment channels niya. So and then just click the online application. And then just click here to request now. So payment, ayan na po yung information. Refund and cancellation. So no refund and no cancellation policy po sila. Ayan po. And then accept lang po. So dito, contact and deliver information. So input mo na yung details mo. Last name, first name, middle name, country, Philippines. Wala na po yung deliver documents. Kahit hindi nyo po siya lagyan, okay lang po yan. And then complete and delivery address po, house number nyo, unit, barangay, anong subdivision, anong purok, ganyan, delivery province, delivery city and municipality, then zip code, mobile number mo, your email address mo, tax identification number optional, so kahit hindi ka maglagay, and then click mo lang yung next button. So after po ninyong ma-fill, ma-input po ninyo yung information ninyo, so ito na po yung lalabas. And then may makikita po kayong confirm, so click mo lang, so change or edit kung may mistake po kayo, so confirm. Yan. And then, ano po yung i-request nyo? So, like for example, is birth certificate. Ayan, pindutin mo lang yan. So, was there any correction or amendment? Kung may mali ba? Wala. No? Were you able to previously get a copy or birth certificate? Please say, yes, nakakuha na kasi ako dati. So, just next mo lang. And the number of copies, 1 or 2 kung ilan ang gusto mo. And then input mo lang din yung first name, last name, first name, middle name, yung sex mo. Place of birth, date of birth, father's, mother's maiden name, registered late ba, purpose niya, relation sa kukuha, or ikaw mismo. Kung halimbawa, ikaw lang yung nag-process, so lagay mo lang dito. And then, save mo lang. So, may lalabas dito yung information mo. And then, confirm, change, or edit lang din. So, ito na po yung mag-a-appear. So, request summary. So, birth certificate ang ni-request. Ayan, name. Ang payment is 330. So, like for example, kung may add ka pa na iba, so, pwede ka mag-click na naman dito, then input na naman. Ayan. So, contact information. Ayan, then submit mo lang pag okay na. Ito na po siya, delivery information. So, your batch request number is yan. Please read the payment and delivery instructions. So, yan, may payment and delivery instruction dito. So, basahin nyo lang. So, yan lang po. And then, like, kung may question po kayo, may FAQs naman po dito. I think yan lang po siya. And then, babayaran na ninyo kasi may batch reference, your batch request number. Ito yung kailangan eh. This acknowledgement has also been, so mag-send nga sila doon sa email mo. Through email. For us of this moment, wala pa akong na-receive. So, yun. So, I hope na this video, may konti po kayong idea kung paano po mag-process. Or kung ayaw po ninyong mahasal, so pwede po kayong magpa-process doon sa mga travel agent o travel agency like me. Yung mga legit. So, legit naman po tayo. So, okay po. So, thank you everyone. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share po. Salamat po.